Gold and silver both have traded bullish with the open market today, and yet it is trying to erase the gains and now trading comfortably at 1875 and 2060 levels, important support levels. At the same time, one must note that both have failed to break past $21, that is for silver, and 1900 is still a little distant for gold. So now what to expect today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The second update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels strictly. Now look at the hourly charts here. There is a gap between 1870 1875. It may try to fill the gap once. That is, it is attempting to do so. Let's see if it does. But yes, there is a gap which might need to be filled here. 1870 now is a good support, and now see, first of all 1865, because see 1870 was a little resistance, it has breached that and it tried to trade bullish, went close to 1896 and then dropping. So possibly it may try to fill the gap. However, you have to wait for it to break past, see, most importantly 1850 levels. Now you can sell here at 1870 levels, but then expect 1864 and then 1855 levels below that. Certainly little more bearishness may prevail. It is trying to retrace, however it is not yet to be considered bearish till the time it breaks below this zone, that is 1830. 1850 is the level below which it may try to bring little more bearishness. However, 1830 is the level below which only we can confirm that it is trying to trade bearish for the day. Now if you look at, see, it was also trading outside Bollinger Band. That is why that is also giving a pullback here. Now look at the stochastic. This was overbought and has been seen falling since then. The MACD is also trying to converge, crossover for a sell. Right now it is trading at a very higher levels. Now see, here the bottom was at -10. Now this time it has crossed above +10 also. So possibly a convergent crossover can be seen here. The RSI was also trading overbought, and that is why we can see a cooling of indicators right now on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, a consolidation here at 1865, 60, 70 zone, and then this breakout. So now it is trying to fill a gap till 1870, and possibly once it stays below 1870, you can expect that we might see, now see, 1864, very good support, and then 1855 50 levels will be seen there. Also on the 2-hour charts, it was trading extremely outside Bollinger Bands, and we can see a pullback here. The stochastic was overbought, and that is why we can see a little drop. The MACD is still trading with divergence, trading bullish. The RSI is extremely overbought, and hence possibly a little drop from here can be expected. Now look at the 3-hour chart. Similar observation is on the 3-hour charts also. Also one must note that, see, here you can find it is trying to trade bullish. One sharp bullish candle, sideways movement here. You need to wait for it to break past 1860 1850 zone in order to confirm the bearishness. The stochastic on the 3-hour charts is overbought too, and we can see a cooling there. The MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bullish, and there is a possibility that it may try to converge, crossover for a little sell. Be watchful there. If it stretches the rally a bit, possibly it may fall sharply later. The RSI likewise is trading extremely overbought, and hence a little drop cannot be denied. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts likewise, now see, beautifully this channel was created yesterday in my analysis, on my weekly analysis, precisely from the highs of this channel. It is still shied away and trying to retrace. Now if you look at the 4-hour charts also, this is the, see, previous candle. One must observe it has got the prices down. There was a strong pullback from the higher prices, and now it is trying to further bring it down. 1870, it is trying to fill the gap there, and below 1870 certainly we can expect 1864, 1860 and then 1855 50 levels. Only below 1850 we can expect that there is going to be little more bearishness. But remember the next junction, that is 1830, only below which confirmation of a sell trend will exist. The stochastic is looking down. It was overbought. The MACD is also trying to converge. It was extremely trading bullish. The RSI is also trading extremely overbought and hence a little drop cannot be denied here. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts too, likewise, it is trying to first fill the gap and possibly we may see a little retracement on the downside till 1860, 1850 levels. Now the support levels exist here at around 1850 first from the 20 and 50 period moving averages and then till 1830 from the 100 period moving average. Certainly, if this crossover is seen here, that is between 20 and 50, it may bring little more bearishness. However, right now it is on sell. Now one must observe here that the super trend has changed from red to green on the daily charts. That is a buy signal generator, and on the just if you those who trade as per the super trend has got the stop losses at around 1820 levels. Until then it is trying to trade bullish. And see, whenever the super trend on the daily charts have changed the color, changed the or given a signal, it stretches the move for a little while and you can just observe it yourself in the past trend. Now see, the stochastic on the daily charts is also near to overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and that see, if you connect super trend with MACD, you can see it has still got lot much of scope for continuation of the bullish trend. The RSI is looking down here. Considering this for the I will recommend you to sell at 1870 and buy at 1880 levels. Below 1870, the first target is 1865-64. That is the first levels. And then below that, we may see it dropping a little bit hard. And though 1860 levels is a support, but 1855 is going to play the key role. That is going to be the next support. And below that, we may see 1850. If it breaks 1850, the next stronger support will come into picture at 1836. For the day, you have to be watchful. If it stays below 1850, 1850 is going to be a very good support for the day. And hence, you have to trade with caution till then. Below 1850, we may see a little slide. At the same time, you can buy at 1880. And if you see it trading above 1880, stay long for 1891, 1900, 1910, 1920. Breaking beyond 1920, it is going to show extreme bullishness. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, those who want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on now 20th of March. So reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts of silver. Yes, there was a gap here. It is trying to fill the gap. This is positioned right now at 2055 levels, and you can see there is stronger support exists till 2050. Those who want to sell, I will recommend to sell at 2050, but then 2045, 2040. These two levels you should observe carefully. Below 2040 only little bearishness may prevail. Till the time it stays above 2040, do not consider this as bearish. See, this is trying to trade in this flag and trying to bounce back. At the same time, see, first thing is 2050 levels, next is 2080 levels. Above 2080, certainly more bullishness may prevail, which might bring the prices till 2120, 2150 levels, and below 20, beyond 2150, it is going to sky high. But if you look at the support levels, 2040, 2020, these two levels are going to play very important role for silver for the day. Only if it stays below this zone, it is going to be considered bearish. The stochastic has seen a good fall. It is looking down. The MACD is also trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is trading near to the highs here. You have to be watchful here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now see on the 2-hour charts, see a support is created here at 2040, then here at 2055. And with those as support, it is trying to trade. So only below 2055 you can sell, but then expect every 5 cents till 2040 you have to be, you have to put a trailing stop loss of just 5 cents. So for example, if it moves 2055, your stop loss is to be at 2060. If it moves to 2050, your stop loss is to be at 2055. Likewise, till 2040 you have to trail it, and if it drops below 2040, it may try to trade bearish from there. So yes, you can sell here at 2055 itself. On the other hand, a buy entry at 2080 is confirmed, beyond which it may try to fly for 2120, and then sky is the limit. Stochastic dropping there, the MACD is still bullish. It is trying to converge a bit. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading near to the highs, near to the overbought levels. Now look at the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, yes, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a pullback. You can also see higher lows, higher highs, trying to trade within this. Let it break below 2040, then only we can confirm that that is trying to trade bearish. And on the other hand, you can see the next stronger support 2020 and $20. If and only if you see silver trading below 20, you can expect that we may see a drop there. The stochastic looking down, the MACD is still bullish, but see the candle size have flattened, indicating that it is trying to trade with or trade sideways right now on the 3 hour. RSI trying to look down from here. Now look at 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, see lower highs are getting created, lower lows are getting created, a flat bottom exists, and this probably is trying to show a little squeeze. If any point of time 21 is breached, it is going to fly high from there. Now for the day you can sell at 2055, expect, as I said, only below 2040, little more bearishness, and then 2030, 2020 and $20 will be seen. Any point of time, if silver trades below 20, more bearishness may prevail. The stochastic is trading near to the highs, near to the top. The MACD is still divergent, still bullish, it's still looking upwards, it's still indicating there is lot much of strength. RSI trading flat. Now look at the daily charts. See, firstly on the daily charts, lower highs are seen, and see how it has traded so far is with lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade in this bearish channel. Precisely right now again reversing from 21 levels, which is also the 20 period exponential moving average, is giving it a little resistance, and hence you have to be watchful of this. And now see how it has traded so far. You can see retracement drop, retracement drop, retracement, again trying to look downwards, and a reversal here is a trade above 21 and then 21.20. If these two are taken, silver is going to fly high for 20. Also right now if you look at, there is a gap which exists till 2055 levels, which it may try to fill for once before it looks forward to any upward move. And for the day, yes, you can sell, but then you have to wait for 2055 levels, below which you can expect 2050, 2045, 2040. Till 2040 you have to be cautious, and below that you may see a little drop for 2030, 2020 and then 20. Till the time, do not consider this as bearish, and any move about 2080 should be taken for a good buy, where you can enter for $21 levels, and beyond that we may see it flying high. See, the daily stochastic is looking up, it is indicating bullishness, and see the MACD has crossed over again. See, one crossover, second crossover, and this is the third crossover for a buy entry. This time it is divergent, it is looking bullish, it may bring bullishness. Triple bottom is seen on the MACD, possibly it may bring bullishness in silver. The RSI has also come out of the oversold zone. Considering this, above 2080, any point of time for this week, you can remain long on silver. For the day, it may try to bridge the gap, trade slightly bearish, and then tomorrow with the CPI data, it may try to fly high. There is a possibility just for this to happen. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.